just like the country transitioned from the rule of British to an independent India, and we realized our responsibilities. I think all of us must realize that and make this company a force to reckon with, and let the appreciation that come from the consumers and not from within. So with that, once again, a warm welcome to all of you to this occasion, and a very happy Republic Day once again. Thank you.